Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is DIY with Jeannie, and today we are not doing a craft so much as we are going to, I'll worry about that later. We are going to look at some organization because I am the world's worst at buying stuff because I really love it and then not having a good place for it. So I have a notebook that has these sleeves that you can drop everything in, which is great. I can put my stickers in there. And the nice thing about this is I can take them out of the package because I don't need the package. I don't really need to know where I got them. I just need this small thing. So so much stuff. I'm trying to find the other package that I got. But what I can do is then drop these down into these sleeves. They're the right size. The notebook and sleeves are the notebook is 7 by 9. The little sleeves are 6 by 8, 6 by 9. And now I've got some place that I can put my stickers, and if I have more than one of the same one, like this one, then they can go in the same sleeve. Now, sometimes the things that I have are loose, and I don't want them to get lost. And so what I found were, they're like lunch bags. They're like Ziploc bags, but they have this same holes so you can put them in your notebook. And I got those for my die cuts, either the ones that I make or the pieces of leftover, the stuff I cut out but was not using for that. So like I was cutting holes earlier, but then now I've got all of these little circles, and I can keep these little circles because I can use them later, and we'll be doing a project with them. But my idea was to now arrange everything in so that I can use them. Like I said, I am notoriously horrible about buying things and then I can't find them when I'm ready to use them. And if you could see this mess that I have on my table right now, you would completely understand that statement. I can't find my bags. I just bought them. Give me just a second. Now the stickers themselves, they will stay together. So when I put them in here, they're not gonna just go flying out. On the other hand, the die cuts might. So here are some little die cut pieces, and I have others, but I got these, and they are, what do they call them? 12-piece binder pockets for A5 size. So that is, I guess, what this is. Let me make sure. If it's not, it's really close. It will still fit. And that's really what I was looking for. So now I take my little die cut pieces. There's my little Christmas trees. And I put them in, and I could put all of my Christmas in one bag and then put it in after it's zipped. Put it in here, and I don't have to worry about these falling out and getting everywhere. They're still going to be in their little bag. So I have all of these different little pieces. I have backgrounds, and I can then put them in their own little folders in here. So, and not worry about them. And I have all of these die cuts. So the die cuts are in a magnetic folder. So I arrange them as well by putting them on magnet sheets that go into a bigger notebook. They fit 8.5 by 11 paper, which honestly I have no idea. So I have in here That's interesting. Some other die cut pieces. So let me show you. So I have this. And I want to keep them all together because they all go together. So what I can do with them is take all of these pieces out, take one of my little bags, and then these pieces can all go in the same bag, and then I know they all will go together. So I can use them if I'm making a scrapbook theme or a little booklet for someone. I can use these little pieces that would otherwise get lost. They might come flying out of there and then they wouldn't be together anymore, and I might or might not get them back in the correct pocket. But there they are, ready to go in my little binder. These pieces can go in a sleeve because they are large enough and they're square or rectangle, and it's not like having little bitty components go flopping out all over the place. So that would be my recommendation if you are like me and you are a collector of fine stickers, and I am. I would get these little pockets, either this Ziploc type or the page protectors, and then all of your stickers are in the same place. You don't have to worry about having stickers everywhere, which at the moment I do. So I will be going back and finding all of my stickers and getting them in where they belong. And the best thing is then I can go back and I can go back to my stickers and put them together based on holiday, season, type of sticker, things like that. So if they're like these, whimsical, then maybe they will go one place. If they are floral, they'll go somewhere else. If they're Christmas, if they're sentiments, see there's more Christmas, they can go with those in the same section. If I have more than one of the same kind, then they can go in the same sleeve. But this way, I'm not losing everything. You can do the same thing if you have used your stamps and fussy cut around them, so that now I've got these pieces and they are fussy cut, and I'm going to want to keep them because I went through all the trouble to cut them. So now I'm going to want to put them into a pocket of like items. So if I have more palm trees or greenery for rainforest or something like that, maybe I'll put them all together. And that way all of my pieces are together, and I have a way to go in and find what I'm looking for instead of hoping I can find the sticker set that I wanted. And hopefully that'll help me get a little more organized with my stickers and my punches and my dies and all of that. So if this helped you, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you want to see how I do my die cuts, the actual dies for the die cut, I'll show you that. But this is, I want to get more dies cut out so that when I'm ready to make cards, it'd be like assembly line. So if I wanted to do the sea creatures, then I could do them all at once. If I wanted to make the flowers, which I happen to have the dies in here, which I shouldn't, but for some reason I do, because I haven't moved it. So I've got this, and I want to put my flowers together. Maybe I want to do red and pink. And so just do a whole bunch of them together and then start building. And that is another way to get all of this stuff done. Now this, I need to go in and get all the little punches out, and I'll worry about that later because I'm not using it right now. But see, now these need to go in my book for my punches. This is flowers, so I can keep it together. This is flowers. Let me show you it. And again, these little pieces are very delicate. I'd want to keep them to where I'm not going to damage it. So by putting it in one of these bags with other flowers, then I know when I go in, that's all it is flowers and leaves. So I can have all of these pieces in the same little folder and not be damaging as I come and go. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see me do more of this, or how do I use them once I get them in this, how do I, why do I bother doing all of them in advance? I'll be glad to show you. If you want to see how you do die cuts, just let me know. I know that we all have Cricuts, and I do have a Cricut, but I have a lot of dies that I also use, and I like both. I don't want to ever just go with one thing, because then you limit yourself to what you can make. So if you liked this content, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. And I appreciate your spending a little bit of time with me, and I hope this helps you get organized as much as it will help me get organized. Thanks. Bye.